Once upon a time, in a cozy village called Willowbrook, four best friends named Lily, Finn, Maya, and Leo had an exciting discovery. While playing near a big forest, they found an old map hidden under a rock. This map showed a way to a special place in the magic forest called the Enchanted Grove, where amazing things were said to happen. The friends were super excited and decided to go on an adventure. They packed some yummy snacks and things they might need in their bags and set off into the magic forest. The forest felt like a mysterious place, with trees that seemed to whisper secrets and leaves that rustled like they were saying hello. As they walked deeper into the forest, they met funny animals like a squirrel that liked to play tricks and an owl that loved to talk in riddles. The owl told them how to get to the Enchanted Grove. Follow the river's song, go through the shiny field, and under the moonlight arch, you'll find what you're looking for. Following the owl's advice, the friends followed the sound of the river until it got louder and stronger. They reached a field that sparkled like glitter, and there they met a tiny pixie. The pixie had a problem. The pixie's baby unicorn friend got lost. With teamwork and quick thinking, they helped the unicorn find its way back to its mom. The pixie thanked them by giving them a special key that shimmered like stars. Using the key, the friends kept going and found a magical arch that glowed in the moonlight. When they walked through it, they found themselves in a place full of twinkling stars and floating islands, the Enchanted Grove. In the middle of the grove stood a very old tree with glowing crystals. A wise tree spirit named Ilara appeared and shared stories about the forest. Ilara explained that the magic forest was losing its magic because people were not being kind and friendly to each other. To make the magic come back, they needed to find a special crystal called the Harmony Crystal. The friends had to solve puzzles and work together to go through a tricky maze. They reached the middle of the maze and found the shiny Harmony Crystal. When they touched it, something amazing happened. The whole forest lit up and came alive with magic. With their mission complete, Ilara gave the friends the power to visit the Enchanted Grove anytime they wanted. They returned to their village, Willowbrook, and shared their incredible adventure with everyone.